Hello, my name Albert Smaij, and here I am presenting my observation about a subject I call a new matter formation inside the Earth. Here I am presenting my observation that there is a process of a new matter formation inside the Earth. This is initiated by a form of energy that I call creative cosmic energy. This energy is the factor that formed and created the Earth as well as the Sun and the Moon some 4.5 billion years ago. This energy is the factor that makes volcano produce hot molten lava day after day, year after year, and in some cases for 25 years, as in one volcano in Hawaii. No stop. This energy creates as well the following. Number one, as I mentioned, volcanoes. Number two, water, usually hot, with sulphuric salts or other salts. Number three, methane gas and sometimes petroleum, as in the case of the Gulf oil, British petroleum accident. New matter formation is necessary to explain the concept or theory of expanding Earth. Expanding Earth was presented in detail on YouTube by graphic artist Neal Adams. This theory was presented early on, some 100 years ago or more, by cartographers who noticed that the form of South America can fit almost perfectly with the coastal line of Africa. I add also, if you observe the bottom of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans on Google Earth, you can see fissures and fractures all the way from Africa to South America, as well as in the Pacific Ocean. I accepted the concept from Neal Adams and the previous authors, but that need, in my opinion, need the explanation that a new matter formation is needed for the Earth to expand. In my opinion also, that the Earth started to form with the Sun some 4.5 billion years, and it was really small. That is the beginning of the Big Bang. Here also I observe or I present that the Big Bang did not stop. It's still happening every day. This leads me to talk about earthquakes and fault line. In my opinion, earthquakes and fault line are caused by the new matter formation that causes the expansion of the size of the Earth. That will crack the connection of the Earth's mantle, expand it with a jolt that manifests as earthquake. Here, earthquake is not caused by plate tectonic or plate moving and sliding over the hot lava, provided that the mantle is some 3,000 kilometers or nearly 2,500 miles in thickness of solid rock. The plates are floating on a surface of molten lava, and the sliding rocks cannot cause hot molten lava to explode in the form of active volcanoes. Expansion of the Earth also manifests as cracks called fault lines. That manifest the action of expansion itself no less. Fault lines are not caused by the earthquakes, they are associated with them and represent the expansion. Fault lines are sometimes about 3 feet wide if they were fresh, but sometimes if they were old, they can manifest in bigger size. In my opinion, Red Sea and the Persian Gulf are an example of moderately huge fault line, because the Persian Gulf edges can fit together, and the Red Sea also seems to be represent expansion of the earth or a huge old fault line. Thank you. This is a summary of my presentation.